gose
Via kegima omwanche murigereria togo kwarigani bene ase ntonde yega ya gatatu ase togo sanga no mogene to bweli tukoria rero iyo bereka gwikirana ase studio tumurikira mangana arengeta basae abega kuru birengeri byaye na chigo tumanyanga erengen ziari gosobereka gwika sense meri ya millennial sigo mwanche murigereria togo kwarigani bene elinde to sanga sobwamo gochaka bono iga gwika omweli konde genda gosanga na into asense mwachiche mtandao Facebook Ndizi TV News Digital, YouTube Ndizi TV News, website www.ndizitv.net. Yangu mwarigani bena ase studio atumanye na kiakoro kwa na ndenga yakoro kuruga soro ngora gusi. Karibu sana.
Mbia mwana sana umoradia. Asu kuungaribisha ase Ndizi TV. Kwanza kabisa asa mareta nguru kumak Anton Umbaye. Nguru wa kure ward ya Kisii Central Ward ya Dibari Chache Kisii County. Baka seka nyereke kuru kunga mwamu ya Zanzi Zab location. That's the place where I come from.
Okay.
Yeah, thank you so much, Murai.
Karibu sana. Ete tuwako kanyega kwa nyoru akeigo tuwamanya tuwa roboti nga kurua se town yeri ibintu mbialinge bya
kere na ikali tra chambil Jenisi mbara seke parake tutakora testing mandamana aiga abantu manyero chinga nebara yurake senetiaga na nyoru wake asebera mabira.
Okay, karibu sana. Akora tumanya sense mo yago ngayore nje niziyore go ikire se millennial sen
nje kabisa. I'm supporting Gen Z. Inde era muraba iga ba korre ese yangire komia muke by the way. Otherwise astu ikeire bono iga ndete tukwena chinga kichi 1960s bono iga nyasaye natumeta abana baiga baoro kiginsi ba yani baigo irensa by the way and we thank God for that. Yeah.
Okay. Ase kibono Gen Z ndo chinga ukorobekana babiri bagokora samatuka iyo maiga babiri bako iramagania bagucia se serikali ntwarara mu nchirire kagokorekana se serikali anene ogwa kwa isiko kwa bawaziri ninki aba Gen Z bataratigera ukorobekana.
Moradio Minto, that's a very good question that you have asked. During the campaigns, the campaign yalego korwa no president wito William Samoei Ruto. It was the good campaigns whereby almost ke Ruto agatara all over the country. Aga promised abana youth heaven etayu. Aga batebinga kwirigente keiga I'm going to employ you. Ngwirege ntekeiga bali wa kambuni ko na mulko nyora 10% as youths you know. Ngwe chitu kwete kwende kero kwate kambuni na bako nyore gasi ya serikali. Aga promise abantu yani bintu biko 10. But now yekire 2 years down the line. Abana youth bachire kokanya there's nothing. But aga cha kore ntekebe kabisa yuko wansa commenta a tax house levy. Abana yuti bono bakagechiwa bakakumika is this the world oyine ya Ruto wasenge muntu kiyo nani kada kukwana offer the TV osekara ko ba interviewed yani yano muntu tare kukwana magana youth tare kukwana magana nose it's like he's doing campaigns. He's not talking as the current president of the Republic of Kenya but the next campaign you ko bukale all the time. That's why the Gen Z have come out but they ngate ko nyarekana the president. If you are not going to tell us ngaki what olegas wasenga kyokoba which means one paka bana youth abega Gen basoke para bandamane paka banyore yake yao.
Okay. Chingu manchiro chiko tebanga Gen Z abaiga mbabwata abantu bale magega yabo bagosige tokurubikana neke maene
Moradio Minto tiyango tebiga gitukuria rero abana youth abega ba Gen Z. Let me tell you nga mondo tayo okoba support kurume. There is nobody who is behind them, even one. Ege ko arabaiga abana abantu bayimoka. You know, none kere ko alko Nairobi ga ali ba ko mandamana ali. Ege abazali bali ba project. Tabate batenga ki intwata wis ko into irule ko engenta. Bono singenje mwangere ko mwata kire ko tuita bono tuite. Because intuna abantu tuachiramo tutakwati kiongozi na anata was let me tell you this eba koregente kaiga wetera jisimi all over the country watu viongozi not even a kiongozi just imetandao bao tenga Kisii county na kigeregao Kirinyaga na kigeregao so abana abantu batakuwa ati muntu ko support kurumaiga and Gen Z they have come out bategete haki yao
barabone kisimi cyabo ni bundles cyabo
ni bundles there is no youth obate bunduki obate moro obate kendi yonse they have come out whatever na haki yetu tupatiwe kazi omanyete let me tell you this Mario Minto osere kurigeria na tukorarigiri guchimaega enga kia Moi tunye kurigeria enga kia Kibaki enga kia Uhuru abantu bari mete bari kugamba abakora na these are the presidents yani bakuhamba ibintu bibyo mahene biya bono mayete president yeito yani ngere all the time all America all Dubai all whatever bota mete oninga tukigendrete Kenya gaiga kwa romba kagali murkomenyo manyene yani yakoro kia bantinsa just a watch of a lot of money or kia bantu or youth banyinga anseria pesa kino nako whatever 6000 limete kanga tutikaki ate ya bantu insa ya a lot of money whereby you know na wana Kisii county maiga it's HNC wakana nyomba chini chibesi nyingepi is 3000 onense dio chare koro kia bantu omochibi woka muri komenya koro kia bantu bantu bale serikali ya Ruto
sina masoma yako lika
masoma te yoga ora jinsi bagatenga teko nyarekana you have to come out yes mono enchingo tebanga a president yeito Ruto by the way he has totally failed yani the country has been ruined up through Mosque Ruto so Ruto nete ali libya na bona igakira bana yuti abayiga bagotebanga they are now achiri biya kabisa kuandamana nete bwe tukocha iguru abantu calm down as the president bona aralinge bigokoro na bana yuti abalinge bigokoro what think you go to country say yes maybe vita it will be a war I'm telling you
okay timetiko sai gosenero kwakirete kurara kinekero kurigeria abakenya abange ngorigirete bari gochora Ruto ko bomara iwense
nche omanyene na alinge hata ways by the way jina bodi chukura Kisii Central Ward under chama ya Democratic Party of Kenya hiyo alenge umbrella ya UDA na ncho manyene na Ruto na ncho nasabira mabira se TV nga muranje ngabire asogwa karute kura asinge ncha tonga inete na asabira mabira kumuranje asabantu yani tango tebi uno busoku it is embarrassing yani ngenteke besana by the way mwana mintu because as a president you cannot walk all over the country promising us heaven etayo then from there obyengo naone kero kwanza questions cha GNCs bono okoro kanenga bono into the wrong we are not criminals kanga bona wewe the story but inga youth sigai we want to do this and this na muno Uhuru Kenyatta arako Uhuru Kenyatta there's no even a single day abantu bamakota mandamano he should have nana kwanza abantu go thank God that the former president Uhuru Moye Kenyatta moyali karanga bone arabigete advisor ya nen akuboka mandu uchibugoya ubuli na kingokora na kingora na this and this rather than gotwara bone ibintu byakora doni cabinet yeli etwa sabiti style ngambia mono yiteka because any cabinet ya lengi kabisa or muna tuligero no musiko ito omochogulenge Olenge Minister of Education, CS of Education. There is nothing according to Kisii County, for the last 2 years. Almost came much of that. What can you say? I think I can get rather than you know, any cabinet, ya Sareka completely, and we thank our Almighty God that we are at the sort of the county equende.
Cabinet. Ekero kurigeria omorai wense tamya yebwena takoere myaka 5. Already nebere yairi nkimotako era Ruto chinga kichinyororo aikire niyo bokoreri buri abetega ko batebya
umuske Ruto na baro jukoli myaka 5 nani nabo tukumusaberanye kole uratiga bono the leadership yaye ni leadership ire embi kabisa yani kwanza kuchakira cabinet chayo na ijolete gocha ona let me tell you this umonta gano muchanga up to 20 million
mbobe gochangire kanise yagacha
is not bad 20 million whereby ba ma kanto ni kisi mbanya korona even 1000 shillings I'm telling you you know that's only say actually it was supposed to be bachirete bachibeke akikonya bangina chikonya bana youth nabona igento kete umurario minto mnabona GCS chigacha butetu Kenya ngima imeshara yabo bale kwewe mengi sana bono kangaruto tebirenga before abantu ndarabeka abantu gete imeshara eri yabo eto chikonya kora 1 2 3 and 4 because mbalo chikonya imeshara tonyebeke asate ni whatever para chikoru ose toletera bana youth abagencies batebenge in every county to abekire budget ya 2 billion chigo kolega asigete ya agencies bono ntunturo yani we don't see as presidents I'm telling you the presidents of the Republic of Kenya yani is a yani abate kirogero ngini cognitive seats which is wrong
Ketari korogana agero kori kondo mancho muriyeria aina maoni I Mark Anthony tabwati bo matabonzi naye getaseni kyandizi TV ene birengeri ya agero kori Mark Anthony sechinga kichinyinge to iguru muraibense kagotebanga nigo aetu serikali kibwata madeni ya mange ikina kiye kugeranga ataraba kagwikirania obokoreri kirikende birengeri byago mbere bye bikobwatikana ningane iyo
mbia mono sana unity campaigns Omo presidents Dr. William Samoei Ruto anata we don't know aje kale doctor aka campaign agotebanga serikali ya lengo eroma yene no arengi you know he was there
as a deputy
president of the Republic of Kenya no arengi amadini ayo wale okabesa together kirege ndo na mayete system and other things ne na madeni ayo na haraka ba cleared meta montago ano kusaba madeni kabere furukuru sasa sekete
ataraka
cleared it was we confirmed madina akanetu ana kaenda outside the countries unaona and America and all those countries ana kai kuchiba sinde are you getting that ono ntuntume tinga inja akokwanira nge country ne wata madeni you know at this era mondo tayo okoba food aba Kenya bano baligireti bali macho aba kupimete 18 which is very wrong Dr. President William Samoei Ruto come out clear and explain to sasa Kenya bale ba wakati chikura but this is the one move from one move for point yende mintu bireka kandi uko bangi mintu byao yani basong ngitwa yani anyway bangi mintu byao gradually ngora so that Kenya back understand as the president of the Republic of Kenya.
Okay. Okorobekana okuiga Gen Z ikwabere ko gukorekana n'abasai ba Gen Z. Kerokende torochinga kwabere go affect inse ya Kenya.
Of course, it has affected
positively or negatively.
Yes. Munabono iga business last Tuesday the whole country. Munabono Nairobi, Kisii, onyakwali weta Kisii maiga dukati yego irana yemo. Even one. Tonyo gocha Mombasa abantu bakote peaceful demonstrations last demonstration year abantu bakora peaceful demonstration bagiti kubuna gendo kyomondo kendo ngiye yasaligete odatiga bono no ne taxi ya usangereria bonta enyorete because there was no business the reasons why ngosaba mo president koranche ebinte imna bikendreteiga calm down because ense muchere ko sarika business ngo sarikabire none taxi ngo sangeri ngo chere ko bayinse so that abana youth understand exactly egere barenga ngo enda bale ko demonstrate go sengwa you see you are answering their needs
ekero kuri no ne chi investor ko rwachense chiri chesiko kerekende mbao boy ko invest ni boya basense ya Kenya
na bono president yeito ya kota magosta manene mono ekere wote abenga there are some NGOs that support Gen Z's kokora maandamano Kenya Otherwise, I went to go come out and apologize. Asabantu bali NGOs, because those NGOs naba okonya mente vinga Kenya. Let me tell you this. Nabono NGOs nyingi chire bagere, NGOs nyingi Nairobi and Kisii chire chingake, and they assist a lot of people. Those NGOs basari go cut off. They are not having an ending. Na watu watu diviste na sana in Kenya. So presidents William Samoei Ruto come out and apologize. Also whatever, there are some people in America, there are some NGOs in America who are supporting Gen Zs for doing demonstrations. That's very wrong. Yeah.
Okay. Turgiria sense mende makantoni twabere tokoranga abasae babere bako irachi amakwani abagutia sababunge bali babete bagwakera finance bills atorenga abandi babere bako gosedi ubugima bwabo ibintu byabo bigosaliwa kerekende asama tukabosyo ntorecenga ababunge ba abange babere bakobwa kulinda abandi mbaroro babwato musimamo nga finance bill ne chago ikanya kere yes lakini abange babo babere bagotwara uboba kerekene ne chikoba kego kongera eserikali yensemeli ya Ruto gosomura ibwense Ruto keratagetenga agentu ketegeti gwase bunge ne chikoba kongo because bago chikobwa nga abagenzi ngocha bari ko bakwani
moralio minto number 1 ababunge bali tuakete chikura never constituency Kenya ngima ibali kogenda ali bunge ko twara interest ya mwananchi not to have their own interest a taxi yiga yali go affect everybody all umona Kenya bona inje ma Anthony go sinto abantu ntwaire opportunities yoko na waka chikura parliament is monto ya moto atakede chikura ikorgo mu bunge ogendo wakera wakikura ya yoka yali present a constituency ngima so nabona iga finance bill yali moralio minto they were to come to college ndoro kunga public participation abananchi understand exactly nige ndulitia stikia yes ndisi na whatever gesi understand it mangana
niritonda
abantu bakora campaign abantu understand abantu bakakiaka no abantu bagaka yes kona ngabone finance bill yiga yali gocha sa abananchi abananchi basomiwe by understand kwanza bakoro ni civic education bamanyige to kingi kigendretega iga ababunge bali bagete yes I want to say nga you mwakotege nteke sana muone ti abantu baino from all over the country and you have to come out bali bagete yes musaba mabera asa bali bagete chikura because kinege nteke ko mwisaba nanchi next time chindo chinga moche kolikichukura from your various constituencies abantu babategerere because muliwa saliti mwanumi that is it area kabere munabono iga mete ngendo ko understand kwa luminto munabono ma canton iko nangeli iga kuru Kisii Central Ward Kisii County on behalf of the youths bana youth bosi pi bali boja imaiga amia as individual but the present na nengo ndama nao inabere the same na wantu wakete mujumbe we constituency ito aka Nairobi ko to represent your ekare bintu bigwetigwa nerwe ko manyeno ko waka yes or no so bono bali bagete no na uboka bagwate ticket yoko weta such constituency na monko na basa boko rigere abali bagate yes they are fierce so what dress congratulations na ndende ngwaro yo mana soka isiko akabeke t-shirts ekotebe na apologies na bali bande patara apologize come out nibeke t-shirt yo tenga apologize asoko baoni yeah thank you murad
okay ase bunge bonekera machika gweti gwase bunge kerekende Ruto nachiko bakako nyora chinga kichingo ngwaso gweti ibinda se bunge because akonyaranga ababunge bali bono redimba bwato bwo banga Gen Z goika batalire
of course they must go number 1 interest you mwananchi you from the constituency eba faceti mondo kurukunga nere mubungo onye mbunge ka chukua fail let me tell you nga no president kwanza kwa world is what yes sana one president onye kiko chukua ntiru na Gen-Z achiko gendera kora the country because they are also planning to march to the State House. Tebanga te konyora korra Ruto ka out of the State House. Abana youth ba ko march with your State House more than 10 million. Ba we ko atebe nguitare 1 million 82 million abande ba benefit abande ba penetrate ba so him. Before utere kirabu anything kayo korwa in a parliament come out as the president age 790 wale ba wakachukura bakole nani indipiti bakole public participation kwa nyori chi anu na one president au pungo wole ke CBA iko na president yetu ya Kenya koranche you are not supposed to go isiko every day when you go as a president bono mpaka abantu bakona lile unabona kalikuwa kuli Mwai Kibaki tu whatever next week on Tuesday saa 7 na 45 is going to give a press statement bona abantu bakanyirete the president ko kwana bona nowadays now tebe kwana abantu kwanza bakuri misti bichabo
babona ile
so as a president one once abantu ba fuatilie ntekyo patena the president is speaking ono advisors ba walio wate I think they are failing you nande neba kole mirima abiga kwa putete I think Gen-Z wate betenga ba kwande theory cabinets baseli bate but actually you na bate to sign you go home otherwise kwa beke bilengeli mapema kala tukutaba aba waziri bae nani yuere bia so one come out tenkereri nebana abantu kwa kutete your excellence the president to bas kwa make mistake kweli no monto yomo abantu bali siko abasoma tabangi bona ati yango boli yani muntu na ngitu ibuli twe umuntu no wale government ngatuko yunga waziri fulani ne cabinet gete ale umudio yani mpaka twagotire twatwara abana ngana no wale si the government kwani wana boka bayibuli bago twale government change nyasa ga wazira wo survive Genesis ba ko tebinga you are not going home abantu bago babanke na nebeka cabinet yawe nyingi ebe Genesis yes
exactly ngi Gen-Z yetagete korwa serikali ngofeiririo yonde Ruto feiriria abakenya wesina abantu bali bago kore emirimo angenere na bafeiriria abakenya
Ruto himself has failed Kenyans ya kabere abantu bali bago mokore emirimo cabinet yawo dono bro ba study bro na wotebie kiti akerte Genesis bakaimo kerego monda wotebege bel ya kobege bel ya 100,000 mondo be kensa ya 200,000 bona bakateba inga is this how the government works bona bakagechi uburo bakabalia bakatenga hata wisa banta baiga nabo bagalire bona gaki rigire no minister of na kumincha musabati uri otenete health no murigiri buya no kera ukwana ngalia no muntu ubento ko pega ki ukwana gore health no muntu takire ko be ko muntu very strong na kawa alengi au kwani minta abantu bategerera nga ikiraki o mane koro kyo ya kwanda bono naisha juma look at that lady bono yani no ne kera ko ba grilled sorry kera in the parliament yani you know yani mpaka akasinywa kwenye quality clip keli yani akasinywa kwa ile that adjournment instead of saying achonte which is very wrong ochora ile clip keli so Ruto kana kobeka abantu office gara aligererie abantu inform machama soma yo muntu yigite because that's a very kero kanene mono lekina ikiagara Gen-Z bakagechiwa bakatenga teko nyarikana they have to come out and you see this government are very straight
makacho ntiyethore na ngoma iga keigo ekero rutare gochori cabinet eliaye era na batete akarua marieta gatebaba na bondo chebara chikoba bakumbwa tesia gwikirania bokoreri bagakorera vetting Ngaito bwenete komochia abantu nabaiga bakorete vetting bagetia marietari.
Abantu bali ba, you know, let me tell you this. No, na abantu abega bakorete gas, abega ba plate chigasi chiga. They were not stupid also. A committee yari wetia. Also they were pride. Eba achite mari watenga, they are on chikobagiri di maiga, one meeting and take you. I mean, one nigga so Kenny Jones, mean one whatever, I you nabali, I said Juma. It's at everything I key, you know, my phone for liver, and that is it. Don't ask more questions. One on Kiki or one roja.
I never come with
So a committee area, otherwise. Mr. President, the committee area will tell them to vetting. Only everyone to go because they also failed you. Rangawan about the Fabating I have Mr. President, or you to a Mugiri, to a Roman Pitaconia again. Now we go around Beki or Tangas, I mean, you are a committee from Kani. So they failed.
Okay, Ekarokoli, a cabinet area, Kirisiko. Wana nderu tanabwa teri bakalinde lyoko chiko chwari cabinet inde kirekwende amaonjere no mubwato ko semere buna abasai ba genzinga amaonjere na chikoene kigwa
bona iga kuetra public kuetra gensis nimetenga bono ruto ngere ko nyamuki ruto ligere bono otebire ngano and first of all you listen to the ground. Ground ya kulisi konya kulisi ni ground wetara abantu bakulisi ni ground na ba MP bona banyora ba mu wrong information bona I think na lero manyene bona ngere wasoka gweka listen the ground kulikiri yale bona ni me think is not want to make any mistake asoko chikochora new cabinets achi wakora uchunguzi wa kutosha amanyengo monto yiga anata wisinto tikiti bona montaji ko chorunga because he campaigned for the president. Tikiti montaji ko chorunga na because I had a friend here president. Tikiti montaji ko chorunga because I got a lot of money. Tiko montaji ko choru, monto informed, monto ko deliver a country ya Kenya. Yes. Ekina kinde tiko TV president.
Na iwete na gendete ko watching this one mambi.
Yeah, I hope he's watching that.
Ndete ko igwa ekirero kia basai. Twarorire enga kiyobora ibuli bwa Uhuru Kenyatta antwarutsenga ugwatana nikangwa wete ko kwene kiwagati umora ibense no mokonyoye. The same case torochenga ubututukano mboro bagandete ko ene kigwa ase serikali ya Kenya kwanza. Ekero kuligereria bono iga gashagwa oberi ga kwerusanania kaigo kurwase obora ibwa yeruto. Ekero kende obumbo chuko mo affect tabaka gwikirania bakoreri bwaya.
Botambe, that's part of politics. Mete karole as the head of the family. Nabono maybe mnenchinde se family yani. I'm not coordinating with my wife. Na baruji muinolali. Obotutukana mpaka bobe. The president of the Republic of Kenya. Ekara ko bange serikali yae go sekara ko twara meetings tare ko involve kashago go around last time kashago about the briefcase ko chiendege guru ko gen nani ka nani ndege ya serikali kero which is shameful uno ko kinga serikali triko bwata na ko bintu byabo byabo paka weya ba paka ba byacho ko byacho ko isiko so nakashawo nere as the deputy president of the Republic of Kenya. Botambe kara ukwana konya ukwana mulima Kenya. You must know ayo manyene as the deputy president ane deputy president ya Kenya. Bote ndeteo abantu kurukwende Kisumu, Nairobi, Mombasa, all over the country. So na ojo with those statements nyo ukwana nyoka na mulima Kenya. Na ayo ngocho ukwana tukanu. So now you are the president, you are the deputy president of the Republic of Kenya. So, moralia, ase serikali ya Ruto. Mbali kubwatrena. Mbagwate self pendeta yabo. Which is very wrong. Konyore deputy president yeri chimuina alikuwa bwae. Mnabono last time kere president kure press statement, state house. Ngana ndo ataibu ngasa 10. Ngana ndo deputy president ukwanere kuru Mombasa. Which is very wrong. Igone government iga. Ane kera abantu bawetana. Kere viongozi biwetana ona abantu bagoteka interest bagoteka advantage aso gosoimi hata usino Genesis no bateka advantage yabo tukasoime bona kabanya Kenya bayitanira abantu abayiga bote tuba
ikamuba munde
yes
aha aikero kuriye korobekana kwa bere goko ene kigwa abantu abangi babiri bagosire ubugima bwabo ane n'abasaye abandi bari innocent batalinga so korobekana kero kende ngiora beko gukwanera
egente kikwabo ryo maralio minto it's hurting ekera bana Genesis ba kwandamana very peaceful very peaceful but yani ngenti kababwate abategereri igenta aba Genesis ba gutwara esimiyoka yoka iga babigete data ime bakabega no mororo gachachikwa only that's the only weapon babwate Genesis mbani ko bodi moro eklip kyoro kamba bodi moro babodi gunduki so abasigari abaiga mo wita abana abaiga bare very innocent mo kali gente kibisa that's a very bad thing and asaba na Genesis bali baitwa na bali gichera na bali batwara majira bali tinyigitari to sabe serikali inaende serikali iga eto ko batebinya kindly abana Genesis bali babwatere gichera bonsipi let them be released abana Genesis bali bakwa baitwa kindly feast their families nane bakane akane family echo so that they nalita nyoro malembe Genesis bali banyora majiraha bali tinyigitari mbali pay their bills let them be out because as a constitution ya Kenya we have a right of demonstrations so it's hurting kala bantu bakwandamana bachiko koreki bachiwitwa ba abayibuli bono bali chinyomba bashangaite bakumiti let me tell you this maralio minto moyibuli tayo no aba no yomo even one parent ogotoma ogoti mwana ngagendo demonstrate aknya sauri tayo ulotika kera bekara nste nyomba stiba koligereria bare ngobi oltari makantu no koligereria demonstrate yari yo sago demonstrate mwana una wata masakara tani kuliko aprechika stale konyora bakaba promise definitely tayo so oro mo ibuli bakote ngakite bakora demonstrations lakini mara waba omunya konyora news yendinga yayo mwana oliyo yo lokora demonstrations oitirwe which is very wrong abasigari baito moko kera bana Genesis bakora demonstrations kindly balende nabona I congratulate you abasigari last Tuesday moisonde eba alenda bana youth eba alenda Genesis town ega aleta naine orobuna wale bakuruma banyukuga bagotera kabisa which was very good mugasho a very good example about the example kioro kibu all over not killing those innocent youths it's very hurting
okay twarorire ase korobekana gukwa maiga kwabere gokorekana chiduka chinyinge cyabere kigosirie nibo yabo abantu mbarora ayegati abasaye babete bagoso assistance mo kiri bakaira amali korwase chiduka kiri ntwaro cyase county ya Kericho kibica kigotara se mitandao abantu gete babuguritie ebibago bataite goikorosa abantu kinga kiri cyo korobekana kerekenda abujenzi ose n'abasare bataite kuebwate si abasoye gati kinga cyo korobekana wa jenzi
abantu abayiga unabona iga Genesis mbabwati anything back of their minds asoko itomondo osoko sare ibintu by'abantu abana yuti abayiga bakora demonstration very peaceful emekore ga itaime kotaka kubasariria dieta in the fact nana banta with the European Genesis they were worried there are some clips na aligereria umuntu akatena nyomba iguru akamuleka Genesis once they are very busy doing demonstrations abantu tabagaza ni chipikipiki bagahita ryoka bakana bagapack sasa gete bagaza ni nyimbo na with tools kotagora chinyomba cy'abantu emerango y'abantu kuyiba and they were somehow aged kere bari twali libuye so abantu maroro itabat tumikirwe asoko starike lieta nga those are the criminals those people are not criminals bana abana bakwirwandira akitira ngo TV maralio minto abana bali bakorera serengia peaceful demonstrations akubori yaki yabo lakini wale mekoro ya so ile ime kubasaririe lieta na mekoro yeyu entungu sabatole bona nga era chunguswa that is it
Okay. Abanyanyimbo mbarororo babiri bakorasa abantu bari very innocent. Twarire baka clip chigotare mitandao buna abanyanyimbo bakorasa abantu. Kirokende mu bwato kwegena ne serikali nga aipoa guchi ikechikwe mukeri gitambukira abanyanyimbo abaiga.
Aipoa namba yemo. Aipoa used to work very well. The regime ya Uhuru Kenyatta, Uhuru Muigai Kenyatta. Jibon tima etinga baba compromised. Aipoa actually used to work very well. No mosirali ali wako mwananjiga. Umuntu yuare ko watu immediately to actually twaramba ko musirali kotini. Obwatwa. Twaramba ko somero mastaka. Kiriga ndukyabo yaralia prisons. Ekina kyagambiwo. So abasigari abaiga nabona I was really annoyed. Aki inage chumono kerenko rumuralia yani a journalist. Ebwate camera yokaiga just a camera. Ekonyo reporting kigendrete na no mukungu umusubati agakwa masasi amaguru which was very hurting. Pono musubati a journalist mukungu sorry you are here. One engage a journalist gakina baba.
Torochene maiki yokambwate.
Ndiyonsi tukunyara waka montongumi na wa police which is very wrong. Otherwise singo tebanga abana bari won't speak. Most of the scope, otherwise, more to call them to peaceful demonstrations. Journalists, they are not criminals. Journalists are used to give us news, is to update us. One to be Kali Coherente, the Kalimumbasa, do not kiss him, no imani. Toko imanya, wait a journalist. So I felt so bad to Manuminto, Kanakoruma Motangasachi olie, Awakwa, Akunse, Hanumo Swati, maybe what Havana Yomba, with the Akaka colleague and take a son. Mosgario, in the fact, only Mosgario, I pour a step. We are coming out also of Genesis, the Gabasto case scope, but feast now policies.
Okay.
Yes. It's very wrong one.
Nerebo besana goita abalikiba mangana abakwira chinga kichabo ko bamanya yagendete gokorekana sense ya Kenya. Asikorinde twabiri tokora abductions tigokorekana sana. Abantu bakuibwa stinchire cy'ubututukano abandi imibire yabo yabereke gotoka meti nkani jwero nkyora bekugukwanera bakoranga Genzi bali babete bako vera sama andamano konyoranga nyalebo berika kubora umubiro yo tokira sense mugete.
Radio minto ntiho ultimate nga Kenya yaba. Ultimate nga na regendo gete montali gete nga Kenya imekuwa mbaya. Tafadhali simama nishuke. Yani hakuna watu ikeire tuikiroro so zingaitobochi. Yani asa abantu bakora peaceful demonstration yabo. Egendo gateba aho guteba para haki yetu. Nanu bako yo makabuli maskara gateba. I graduated from a certain university. Now this is now 2 years in the nyumba. Kakini pati hata kazi yenyewe. Ngomondo yoro kana se media. Abantu gete bana bamo abduct. Ngabanda bamongenta bamutugo hani yente kisa very bad thing. Tafadhali naomba serikali yetu ya Kenya mahali popote mlipo kama mtu amekosa shika yeye muire to the nearest police station asomera mastaka ayo prisons labda ni wito mondo even at noni biblia ebibine kanite banyuko wito mondo na wewe pia utakuja kuuliwa because that's why families nyingi zaba sigara zisaligete. Let me now tell people umusigari mutibunduki ogendo itabantu pale very innocent kwanye umwana ne wiko somete se family gake weka iko somete agatwara degree nona bayuri bawechekeri ngojo rusu nyomba wendo ngendo nzingo sabe serikali kimuranje aki gwata abantu baire kisheria kotini basibwe rather than to kill them rather than to abduct them nabona gali kwale emibere yatoka yabakunguboka rero ngekiri sana kera bakunguboka ali goitu oje journalist mukungu goitu abasigari abantu baliya baitwa almost 41 batangasire yani ngabakota bakubotora nugatikati manyo mukungu obuturu gatigati magoro chimoino no mutu chimoino omuntu beka abantu egunime yani which is very hurting umwana omuntu yani umuntu beka abantu egunime oende utugutari sa gutuguta ono tumwitine serikali okore gente ekyo kozini common mwana yo sina abantu kyabali because no muntu uri wade tu you know, nowadays there is something abantu bakurigiri through what we call physiognomy. Physiognomy is the study of the face. Ekero ko study mo moro face yaye, he might not be the criminal.
Tanga muiti.
Tangi muiti. Nabona nyaruso nyanga yakabekireri, nabona gente keiga. To calm down, to tenga abantu bagwatirwe, ende kera ira ngorake. I'm telling you mwana mintu, aba kungu bari ngenje bari witu, I really felt so bad. Yani nothing what kera ngachibita ngitinye yandika etai yani.
Pole.
Very hurting. Yeah.
Ekero kuriyeria makanton tiango takwanire ngane ya keigo ekero kuriyeria no ne evidence eri abetege kubatuka nga omukagiruori nere obere ka gokora obwiti boli ekero kuriyeria ti omorori obere gukora astia segeka ekero kuriyeria chianga chiri chinge echiarokanete koba chinya ekero kende evidence eri abetege kurwegwa gari ne isaine ko prove ngo muntu oli no moitiare
mna explain na cha explain earlier umwana ominto Tiango tevi nga ekera mangana lenge very hot. It was a very hot. One of the best thing we do let us bring somebody. Nabutura muakane, nabutura ekera kuru gente down. Chianga chiri chinke, chuo chabasubat ni chiarenge chinya. It was new. Whereby mete umuntu gakino naye nabo umuntu asara kwa korwe always bia nabo kubunse kwasa nabo ora meki gente kwende yebegweti yake it was very clean she yanga chinga changa very clean omororia obe rust for the last maybe osikonye lili buya ora very was no mwako muhima nyomba gabo so tiga serikali come out clear this year asimule ebi uchunguzi tiga moji siko mo tell exactly what's going on tiga tawo ita abantu baitumba wit lakini baona nako this equend this ya moi nometinga ya ngingi sana yani montra bako bato ido montra ne sasa kete lakini maambia ya bwatire uchunguzi ona ngati achumwana minta abantu bari with 40 of them for example ali so menyete ene room to chini room hoso karaga na baro getigari ene room ya mosibwa omontorie ya makanton ene room yawo esna boko manyanga naso mwana nabo kumanyanga makanton ajya kumufu ajya gosoka isiko achitega yiga isere ko batingi cha for 3 days nabo kumanyanga omonto mane pita inyombe yiga yani mba ko boli ata majirani ba boli ngaki omonto yiga for the last cyari wita bantingi nche kabire yiga mpini cyari gutumeka nane bantu kibari ko bwatrana ino kudanganya wanani aba Kenya kutigata ufuru aba Kenya and that's why we want to say that the government aba na Kenya they are not a laboratory whereby you can test. Human beings are not insects. They are not small animals. Siko ba tested dinga yani ake abantu bali bawitu kono ntebingo njege ndo chana rama liga wocha apa subati bilinga bakateka abana ba nabagaitu nginchika bireri akona ngende kingirusa abana ba that's a very hurting thing ngo sabe serikali yetu ya Kenya ile tuko na uchungu sana yani kini ngenteke bemono kera abantu bali baite tu abantu more than 41 ana bakunguboka there is something that is going on to ko no musacha wa mwana train what kind of organs mwari kurusia asaba kungumo chiponi because some private parts according to the at everything there are some parts zitayo which is very wrong banya Kenya tuangere konya abantu tigende kibona gitangaswe e business ebi urobona byonse tumanye abantu ngondi kubali some parts of the whatever ngondi kuchiri abantu aware that and to kill people in a very bad way like that
you can imagine nayo igwete igo atimeti chiamate chiabonga kichiro chikaiweta
you know ntekena watch it again to for the first time kena roche na renge in my office clear news you know ometenga chikobekura match I am telling you ngaondoka kupiga haki yenye life gere iga ngaitu chukutama gotia where are we heading to mukungu tari goitwa in this world tumuna anje yake abakenya n'abantu simontegerete mukungu tari goitwa mukungu tari gwakwa mukungu awotebunga you have done this kandi mete mukungu n'abantu bakuigusana
nanda kwebereri
no mukungu yakwebereri kubya iga ane baraba oba yes so kakiro se achikubika bakungu awe gunyime bonsi ipi ngakibona arengereti kakiro nikiriro kyabo yoka mubuju kodere ngenje kabiri ngikiro kigendete that's a very bad it's a very wrong thing anyway yes
tokurwe ngora yete yabene kukia asibali babete bagusiria bamwabo asinchera engabune yo kurinde tuligereria nsemende makantoni jenzi babiri bakumulikira eserikali enene. What about serikali chichi county? Serikali chichi counties umanyete umarali uminto gwa world swali ya sana chi county cha developed which year 2013 kare ba gote wa ngomete ga sindro nyora we need to create now we solve and to the counties ega tanyora chi nominated tanyora kumbe abantu mbale ba bimite 18 ba mayetinga munigende ke goche already baba kan nechiga siabo I'm telling you nditindo chinga eka bona iga let me now talk about this regime kuru yonda aswa kuru Dr. William Samoei Ruto aswa government yiga the counties have not performed well completely in terms of development chiparapara manyete in mnabona Kisii County iga CBD mete chiparapara njire isarigete sana and yet chibayase chikoba chinyinge mono chigocha from the national government and sometimes injena iwonga nga chibayase nchirena Kisii County yetu ya Kisii nga 12 miss kind of back which is very wrong in terms of mnabona chipasali na moske Simbarati into we congratulate you for the good work that you are doing but now you need to I want to go and kuru pasalis in the wards give that work to the MCS and to give it back the returns ikina give kora akole abana mnabona chiparapara chikolemwa I involve the MCS by chiparapara nabona rangili igos ne MCA mu kwa reward chiparapara ni renga chire ward yao chiparapara chire 6 chikole chance aya ase ono kona kuchigora maybe yeah that is it bono in terms of development tingo kwa na Kisii County yoka in all over Genesis they are supposed to feast their governors they wake up but ungarinde gasi momo atwa baete ndora matunda buya so you have to wake up and do the right job as the, kobe governor is the CEO of the county the CEO yani will control billions una want billion ngatwa nyora Kisii County it's a lot of to control that money is not 1 2 3 you are now the CEO so naende you the governors wants kwa jumla twara advisors barabaya bako hotelinga this is what you are supposed to do this is what you are not supposed to do so that actually there's no development in town yeto nabona ngukwa nabona iga chisegi nchaba nabona ga ndo atwa chisegi che deputy governor ne deputy governor and other MPs obi indebiri ndo ate let them come down on to korama gendro ebi ndebi early the deputy governor is going to be sworn in very soon ono bwate gas kaboko abananchi baligere lingo manepi the county yetu ya Kisii is shining ketra ate ngaya anything to atwara some whatever like ibintu bya na mai ono iga to saba kuchakara next week Monday chaka koro egento ke korokana as chi counties chini yes otherwise Genesis are supposed to feast in offices oi kabatiri mugaba gukora national ngotiri mugabara se chi county
I'm telling you that is it
okay egento abasaye babere bakorerana ne mono inclusivity as serikali tumeti as serikali nene ntora inclusivity yabasaye as chi county rende ase serikali enene mtutu atebete ngalende bottom up
na charusi umusaye nse amubeke samwene nturiri wo mine youths ba konyekiri harusi mama mboga anume naruji president ukwa na alina kurunga mama mboga umetanenga mukumi sana hata wise president you're not supposed to talk about mama mboga I beg and take you Kierete ona I consider as the president asama gendera mangao aso konyora chi amabaga counties let me tell you this one minute abanta tiamate youth simba wate mechando nonye bale para okora demonstrations
maende bagore mbobariete
banyora omugaka gete ori county orengereria umusani getoye maybe because onyo muntu tukali kulikwa sasa ketaka nafasi chinke ole to mwiri yoyo gose mwana oye because of money that is it that's what ateba igabono nabono iga public service board to nyora ko bantoko ntobwandikisi county for a long time nande the governor akarengo mo erichobebo nande no muyale sare nande saba na inji yamurusi orro amubeke as the deputy governor bono ekiro keria public service board etu ateba iga digaboro kirigiri gwe umusai abikwo number 2 ekere amabaka kuchikuliko bono n'abanyagitari bakulikwa make sure abantu ba apply nane MCS babusiko kumabaka nabona umu MCA gete na to kwere mabaka yichinas 5 that's part of corruption oni chibase mu MCA chikoro sumaite holding and 200,000 asema mabaka 5 that's 1 million ya what nyasa uri clean because ta kwa na vasos tigaba abantu bite bakora chi application chire very straight bagenda bakora interview bate ngo yego itire oyo traita so that banyore tonyore obusibori
okay ntorra emambi yaboneka nga acting IG oberega kwendekia nga okorobekana kobe kogotenena ase chinsemo atimetinga kyorabe kogokwanera engane yo
let me tell you this demonstration you cannot stop demonstration in Kenya or in the world abantu bagwate their rights for demonstrations anekera ko bakani nga there is no demonstration ese you know kera abantu bakwa ndamana kama sikali ko babaroro baba se inire ko mandamano Sitiaga Sharutu, that's what you call a mandaman. Bono mo konyoyu is also messing. Kananga tebanga, for those people who are coming for demonstrations, they talk about some local demonstration in peaceful, most of the Kendians, Moko Mogani Yomba. Okubo no Kobagosa, and no Koba treated, which is wrong. You know, Monto Tebo and Tokoba actually Ruto, Uta went to Kangabono, or reading a Monto Chukaba, Monto Chukambra. Is part of failure. Yes.
Okay. Tiganda rasoma ujumbe ingisa kokoresho yenta rasoma ujumbe na birabe amagoso sana. Imeyensa kia Jafet Sagero tebanga listening ya igakurwa ase umurayo yo umbaye ama NP, that's the social, economical and political discussions as a country we ought to speak and deal with. As young champions, millennials and Gen Z, what Umbaye is articulating is cardinal to our country, and politicians in posts have no otherwise. Should buy and bank those ideas, implement the proposals, or we will have a peaceful, healthier and wealthier and united nation. Atanga kudos Honorable Umbaye for those insightful and civic thoughts you are sharing at large to the Kenya and Mwanya Getinge.
Thank you.
Yako kwanga nere Jafet Sagero mbiamono sana asokori ka ujumbe yago asomorobele wensa kia bono mambia korende akiagarando chibiro bito bya tunyorire kegima andete nkweli bageri gali bene okwanera basai skogari orobo seme bwabo kubwatikana nense buna yekere bono iga kubwatikana nemichandeli abasawuro chibagendete gwetera skogari nando kwanera abarayi bali skogari bali tuwaje walete
biamono sana kumuralie and actually congratulations as being you are also thank you for the good work that you are doing.
Welcome.
Abasai baitu as for now they are doing demonstrations all over the country Kono tukunyara kote musainga ngatiga acho ne mugondo ngatiga kende business yago chuchi because tabu ati capital tago chukwa na mugondo tabu ati ndacho simeka kono uchichi kuligire yote nga yaya aki president chato te 1 2 3 and 4 te tumunyuri abana youth abaiga they are not fighting the president, they are reminding him so that aba inyuri rone budget ya kara nyina wastabi kitibana youth mebuye ba inyuri ainyura abana youth area kabere abana youth baitu ba Kenya ngo basaba I said these demonstrations I know there's no genuine one yanye go sali ginto kyumuntu those are the conmen and the people ba be kirumi aso ujosaba kubasali lieta inu continue doing peaceful demonstrations mo sali ginto kyumuntu abarayi baitu twachorete tukaboka maambia bagachora MCA bagachora senator bagachora women rep bagachora MPs bagachora mpaka governor ingo basaba bali bachorire elected. I start from the MPs kimboranje do your work properly because noni nyasa na baligire tukurugo nyasa will curse even your families. I am telling you this ekero kwa ndoli CDF yani nga kwetera ngaye as a MP kwa rangeli one of the whatever mwaso kibesa wetera certain school ai kwa beka kibesa ti million mufuko. You don't assist the needy. I am telling you, Lipik also cast. I'm not a pastor, lakini nende. Umanyise biriyango rasoma andi. Aba chumbe kimoranje na bali bagete yes. Come out and apologize because ekinenge abantu bataibe all over. Nabone gantu bwate even the women rep of Kisii County. Nero tenita bangina. Nero tenite farm satisfaction fund. Na yeto kuko saba ko ranche ekero ko le mibisima involve abanginago eba manginago bajitenda bali mibisima give them tenders because ekero bone muku ngisima ngeri mitumanya reward ngokerimete ka abantu ketana bali involve the youths banyore sabuni you bajira nyomba chibe ya farm satisfaction fund imetengo kuchiruole ane bono singatia chibasni kwa to 58 million. The 58 million divided by the 6 wards no whatever chibasi ko chinka. Utilize that money well. Na abantu rende bali linga yaya the women rep has done this and this. Jitnaro michando yao lakini do your work. To bisinyu ko cha MCS. The MCS bali ba bete elected. Na oninje na bote kiro ki central ward chikora challenge kira kinto gachora the MCA ororo we are not fighting you eto ko saba kora deliver bantu yani kora good delivery to the people for those people ba gochote tigere no ncha mu kwerro muino abantu ekero mu MCA gochorwa ngana ne bono usieke karole mpaka iguru na uba mugorire gari na uba moire mpaka mafuta gotarire ngana ne bono yugana watwara matara wange munayo go and stop that as the MCA represent your people well, do oversight and also machiko as a county assembly. Okay. Don't go, you are fighting for the governor, you are fighting for the interest of something, which is very wrong. Let me come to the governor of Kisii County, governors both. Governor Chito, you are controlling a lot of money in the counties. Make use of that money well, because chibesi chuna inuka nka murangari gune muko manyiri serikali kuchukoche kuchuko basiba muko manyiri serikali kuchukuligereri beke bintu bino be very straight kumuranje mnabona county government of Kisii muske simbarati na rochi okwana bya sana in terms of employment sabana youth but for the last 2 years nduranyo employment lakini ntuate abanga ntuate public service board yaliko likabantu ngwali the ECD teachers which is good ntrar other departments nabona ntuwata abanyagitari batangaswa bantu baga apply baralikwa follow up nabona ntuwate polytechnics cheto ga Kisii. You have only one polytechnic of Kisii County and then we need more polytechnics chibesa chichi budgets china chiko kwerende koranje agachi polytechnic chinyinge so that tonyore amasomo y'abantu comes in terms of contractors muske Paul Simbarat abantu baragotebanga you have not paid the contractors and of course tuchitiko bakana because abangi ibakolte mbeo ngwachiko bakana for those people bakolte gase the right kwa bwatri pay them ntete kokora gotebanga nchimna Mark Anton Ombaye kurwa Kisii Central Ward inacha maiga na beri no borrobo nene mano aso korenga abantu baitu baitrue for this paracording peaceful demonstrations bali baitwa na stabirenga yasaye ati mukimibiri yabo sagaya bali basibire kichera betoko sabe government kimuranche bayigore kuruoro bali barwalete kimuranche nayo neba mwempi system to the nearest hospital bakanere bill the governor of Kisii County bigia bantana ni governor wakwana bya sana gali simu alenge barrio ya nani alia wakwana bya sana abantu bayigolero which is good ayabone kero gutwara interest yaba nanchi which is very nice ngokora watebanga Mark Anthony yoiga is a married man imbwata bana batatu andenga twaru mukungo yomo nere stera kwambukanya chio nena bante bingocha mbakwani exactly thank you so much bone finance bill nga yocho komentera bana finance bill ncha ko ngabona tukasinywa kitoko
sana na kazi asobeikera na studio nabaigo basangana intembye bana sana mwanchi umurigeria kwa biri ko basangana inte otoka chage to moroberi yiga kurasema mbe yari ngiya bitabone gambikire omwere no gusemera kwa no nabo ko museme mange wetera omogeni weri ko yari bana sana mutese semenya jomba angi uyo twali bana ya bene kale kana gusanga tule no omogeni weri lero nabo ya semenya abiwe ya chama uyo ene kemna chibitane yoyi beri ko wetera soye asembe bene
asante sana. Thank you so much. Be blessed. Thank you. Thank you.
Ndizi TV, ubwansu bw'omugusi.